Hi, Dr. Toots Vasquez, your breast friend. So we have here the most common breast implants that I use. No? So these are all Mentor implants. This is the moderate plus profile implant. This is the high profile implant. And this is the extra high profile implant. No? Same volume. Pare-pareho po ang sizes niyan. But you can see there are different height. No? Magkakaiba yung height and magkakaibang diameter, yung lapad. No? This one is wider than this one and this one is wider than this one. No? This one is higher than this one and this one is higher than this one. No? So moderate plus, high profile, and extra high profile. So when do you use these implants? No? For moderate plus, usually I use this for patients who gave birth already, nagkaanak na walang volume sa taas, no? Bumagsak yung breast. I usually use the moderate plus profile. And you can place this above the muscle or under the muscle, pwede rin. Pero more often than not, I use this above the muscle. The high-profile implant is for young patients, no, na may breast volume, no, na pag yung patient may breast volume, I place this above the muscle. Pero pag wala, I place this, the high-profile implant, under the muscle. More often than not, I use this under the muscle. Palaging nasa ilalim ng muscle because this is high profile. The incidence of implant show is higher. No? Pag i-place this above the muscle, pag nasa ibabaw ng muscle, merong chance na magkaroon ng implant show. No? Nakikita dito kasi bilog lang siya, mataas yung projection niya. And the extra high profile, this one, I always place this always under the muscle. No? Palagi itong sa ilalim. Dual plane palagi. No? I always use this dual plane. I never use the high profile extra above the muscle. No? Kasi yung implant show is very high ang incidence din. The diameter is very short. So para ka lang naglagay ng bola sa breast. So I never use this above the muscle. Always under the muscle. Okay? So more or less, our patients have a insight on what implant to choose. Pero syempre, I always explain yung pros and cons, kailan talaga ginagamit yan. Okay? So that's it. Dr. Toots Vasquez, your breast friend.